All right, let's do the rundown here. This is your typical 3-bedroom. Does it have a? Oh yeah, it has another half bath here. Actually, another full bath. So it's got have the little baseboards that are yanked out, so it doesn't have anything. So half bath, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and then your common bath there. It's your typical 3-bed, 2-bath rambler. Looks like they've already started fixing up the kitchen, living room. Needs work. I'm sure they're gonna yank everything out of here. Looks like they did the floors in here. Your typical little, oh, not really a full garage. Can't even get a car in here.